Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today. Autumn is my favourite time of year and I do a lot of prep work at this time, so I thought I'd bring you along with me. There's nothing like the change of seasons. Everything starts to die off, to slow down. The air is changing, the leaves are starting to fall. And at the moment, we've got a lot of blackberries in Ireland. Now, every country has different produce that's for free, and Ireland is abundant with blackberries at the moment. So I'm going to walk on the land and pick as many as I can to store over winter. And of course, it's wonderful to eat locally. And these are package free, and they also cost nothing. And it's a really fun thing to do with children as well. You'll be covered with purple fingers and loads of scratches from all the thorns. But there's something so rewarding going into nature and picking something for free. It's also that time of year when all the cones are falling from the trees. And apart from pretty decorations for your home, they actually are really good at starting fires. So I'm going to stock up for them, getting ready to start lighting all the wonderful fires over the winter. And no ramblings would be complete without picking up some rubbish. Keeping the land that's so dear nice and tidy. And remember, at this time, everything's slowing down. There's always time to stop and sit under a tree just for a moment. These are some oak trees all over Ireland, and they're starting to drop their acorns. It's so exciting because these can be planted and will come more oak trees. So nature gives us so much, and all we have to do is be grateful and take care. With wild blackberries, there can be loads of little bugs inside them, so I fill up a jug of water, and this allows all the little bugs to come out. And something like blackberries, there's so many uses for apple and blackberry pie or crumble. My favourite thing to do is freeze them and use them in the porridge for purple porridge. Use them in smoothies. Of course, you can make some blackberry jam. And they're packed full of vitamin C. So they're there to keep us healthy as the winter months approach. And if you remember on Instagram recently, I was chatting about how I got these oranges free in work. They were throwing them out, and you all kindly gave me so many suggestions, which I've been using. So some zest to freeze and use in future baking. Some zest rinds as well to use for firelighters. And cutting some thin slices, drying out in a very low oven to use for decoration over the winter months. Now the polytunnel, a lot of the vegetables are coming to the end of their season, and we still have loads of cucumber. So a great way to preserve food is to pickle it. And I'll leave information down below of how I made it Really, really simple. I fill up the jar, add some lemon juice, some salt, I like to use pink Himalayan, and some apple cider vinegar. You fill it up about 3/4 of the way. A little bit of sugar is optional. I use coconut sugar, and then fill the rest up with water so that all the cucumber is covered. And that's it. All that's left is a little shake, and all those wonderful cucumbers have a really long shelf life now. So that's a few of my little prep work. I just wanted to share with you this tiny little oak tree that I grew when collecting acorns one year. So I'll chat to you down below or on Instagram. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next video.